Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Gboard is ready. Open its settings and confirm the Translate feature is enabled. Add the source and target languages so the keyboard can switch instantly. This speeds up detection and reduces errors. Once done, grant microphone and network permissions because live voice translation and quick phrase lookups rely on them. Make sure your device keyboard is set to Gboard as the active input. That's the immediate step that allows everything else to work. With Gboard active in your chat or notes app, tap the Translate icon to open the translator pane. This integrates with the field you're typing into so you don't switch apps. Choose the languages or use auto-detect to let Gboard identify the incoming language automatically. This helps during mixed language conversations. Type your message or press the microphone to speak. Gboard translates in real time and places the translation inline so you can edit or send it immediately, keeping the flow natural. Before you send, glance at the inline translation and tap to adjust wording or tone. Machine translations can miss context. If you need to reply in the other language, switch languages with the selector so responses stay accurate. If something goes wrong, translations stop, detection fails, or audio isn't picked up, check permissions first, update Gboard, or restart the app and device. These steps fix most issues quickly and restore live translation functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.